Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to hide this search facility or search icon from your Shopify store. Come to the computer screen and here is the admin panel of my Shopify and I have to go to online store. Now you have to click these three dots and click this edit code option. In edit code option, you have to search here base. Click this. Here we go. Now scroll down at your bottom and here is the code that I convert it into the commands. I'm going to uncommands it. Here is the code: header __ icon -- search and then brackets and display none. After putting this code, save the file. Come here to your store and refresh it. You can see this search icon has gone. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.